everybody, so welcome back to another one. This vlog is starting a bit later in the day. I hope you guys are doing well. There are a few things that I want to get done. First of all, I need to clean my apartment because it's looking atrocious right now. That's what happens during a creative day. Before I get started on cleaning and everything, I kind of just also wanted to take you guys along with me for tonight because there's also a few other things I wanted to talk about, and I've honestly just had like a lot going on my mind, and I kind of just wanted to vent a little bit, so I hope that's okay. I've just been doing a lot of reflecting and stuff, but I'm gonna start cleaning first and de-stress a little bit, and I'm also gonna reorganize my entire closet because, girl, it's not looking cute. Should I call Postmates or should I cook some dinner right now? Tempting, but I'm gonna cook dinner real quick. Well, shoot. Hi guys, so I changed into some jammies and I'm going to tackle this big pile of clothing here. Hi you guys, so I just washed my face and stuff and put on a lot of moisturizer. I'm gonna let my moisturizer sink in before I put in the oil. Before I sign off for the night, I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about a few things that have been on my mind lately. So I was doing a little bit of reflecting on my end of the year goals and seeing where I'm at, and I was able to check a couple of things off of my list, which is great. But there are a few underlying things that I feel like I still really need to work on. So one of my goals was to pay off a lot of my debt that I have, and I have like a good amount of debt to pay off, and I really just want to get a hold on my finances, and I started creating a budgeting binder for myself, and I'll definitely show you guys that in another video if you guys are interested. But there are things in my expenses that I really need to think about, and I feel like I just need to come up with a whole entire plan for myself. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take these next few days to really curate it and then share it with you guys what I'm going to do. I've been doing a lot of research the past month about like what methods I could use or what things I can use to help me spend less, make more money, stuff like that, just because I don't want to feel so limited by money anymore. And part of the reason why is because one of my other goals was to create my own website, and as I was going through the process of creating it through like Squarespace or something, I got like towards the end where, you know, I'm supposed to pay for the domain, and financially I couldn't do it, and it did not feel good to not be able to do it. And I don't know if you guys ever feel that way, but I really don't like asking for help, and I don't like it when people feel sorry for me. So it's not even like about that. I'm just sharing like what happened, but that's what situation I was in and I'm still currently in, and I feel like that's such a stupid excuse because launching a website, especially my own personal website, that should be priority, you know what I mean? Especially if I want to launch this thing and make it work. And yeah, so that's just kind of what I've been thinking about. And also, due to all the stress and stuff that I had during school, I felt like the past few months of just getting used to being in a new place and dealing with so many new transitions, I feel like I kind of let myself go a little bit. And like, I haven't worked out since August, and it's now December, so you can only imagine. I walk everywhere and all that stuff, but that doesn't count. I haven't done an actual workout or gone for a run or anything like that since I've been here. And I don't know, I feel like it's about time I glowed up, like, for myself. And maybe that's why I feel like so down sometimes. And it's really interesting how fast time goes by, and I think it's important to recognize your feelings with your goals and really check in with yourself to see whether or not you're actually meeting your goals. I really want to thank you guys for those of you who have been keeping up with my vlogs and everything and really watch me be boring and weird and emotional. But by the time you guys are watching this, we're like halfway through the month, and that's pretty crazy to me. Tomorrow I'm gonna start planning a lot of things and just really journal a lot more and all that stuff and really figure out my shit, because I don't want to feel this way anymore. I hate feeling so conflicted and unsure, you know? I'm always so used to having like a grip on things, and right now I don't, and it's kind of like driving me crazy. So I think I just need to like sit on my issues financially and mentally. Alright, I'm gonna end it here for tonight. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!